Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling title bar window shake on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With the title bar window shake, when you grab a Windows title bar and shake it, it minimizes all other windows. Here is how to turn this feature on and off. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Multitasking. Here in Multitasking Settings, you'll see the option for Title Bar Window Shake. You can enable or disable it here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.